Hi there, my name's Sadia and welcome to Recipes for Littlies. I love sharing healthy, kid-friendly recipes on my channel. Today I'll be doing a different video where I'll be showing you what my 2-year-old eats in a day. If you'd like to see more videos like this, let me know by hitting the like button or leaving a comment below. I'm filming this video on a Friday, which is Mummy-Daughter Day, as my Littlie likes to call it. It is her first day where she doesn't have daycare and I've got the day off work. My 2-year-old is a creature of habit and most days start off with a big bowl of oats. I like to add in chia seeds for some healthy fats and also some LSA. And my Littlie likes honey lemon tea, so I'm just getting that ready for her. I've already added in some cold water to my toddler's cup. This will just make sure her tea is warm rather than scorching hot and will also retain the benefits of the honey. The oats have been warming in the microwave for a couple of minutes. I like to then pour in some cold milk. This will just make the oats nice and creamy and also reduce the temperature at the same time, so it's a win-win. You could sprinkle in some cinnamon or add through some mashed banana or even some stewed apples would be really good. We've got a smaller bowl next to her. I just find this is a little less overwhelming for her. She just likes to portion out how much oats that she'd like to eat. As I said before, Fridays are our days together and we do try to make the most of the day, so we'll be heading to the park before we head to our swimming lesson. This is my Littlie's morning tea for today. These are some leftover oat pancakes that I made yesterday. I've also got some chopped up fruit. After swimming, I've got some chickpea crackers that are homemade and some sultanas because those are her favourite things to snack on after the pool. I'm going to pop these all into a bag with some water and we're going to be ready to go to the park. This is my Littlie climbing up the stairs. I can't believe how big she's getting. And once she's had a good run around, we're going to stop for morning tea. So this is all that's left. She ate the majority of her pancake and her fruit. It's time for lunch. We've come back from swimming, so we're all hungry and we just want something quick and easy. Boiled eggs are my go-to. Sometimes we do scrambled or omelettes. Just adding some frozen green beans on the top to steam. I'd already had some vegetables chopped up from meal prepping, so I'm just going to pop that into the oven. Lunch today is a deconstructed nourish bowl. My Littlie will eat this in components, but I like to mix mine all together. I've got some boiled eggs, quinoa, the roasted veggies and also the steamed green beans. I quickly whipped up a lemon tahini mustard dressing. My toddler isn't into dressing, but I do put a little bit on the side of her plate because who knows, one day she might have it. I do like to get my Littlie involved in preparing our meals, so here is a really easy way to get them involved. I'm just using an egg slicer and she's slicing up the boiled eggs for herself and she's also slicing up some of the eggs for me too. It took my toddler probably about 10 months before she started eating eggs, and using this egg slicer was one of the ways that I got her to eventually try them. Now it's time to prepare dinner. I tend to decide what we're having for dinner based on the day of the week. On Friday, I like to call it Fish Friday, so we're going to have crispy skinned salmon and I'm just going to do some veggies on the side. If you've been following my Instagram, you'd know that we've been gifted some beautiful zucchini, but they weigh about 1 kilo each, so I've been adding zucchini into most of our meals. I had asked people for some recipe ideas and someone suggested zucchini chips, and these were actually really delicious and I just oven baked them. I also had some sweet potatoes, so I decided to make some sweet potato chips to go with our fish. And that is what we had for dinner. It was the first time my Littlie tried zucchini chips and surprisingly she liked them. But funnily enough, I served them again the next day and she didn't like them. So very typical toddler behavior. Let me know in the comments if you've experienced this. Thanks so much for watching, and if you'd like more videos like this, let me know in the comments below or give this video a like. Until next time, keep cooking!